Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for Davinci Resolve Fusion, and as usual you can download file on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop abstract BG004 and connect to the media out, and you will get the image. So let me ungroup this and show you what's going on here. It's fairly simple. You will get background and rectangles. When you click number 2 on the keyboard, you will see the shape, and next one you will have particle emitter, particle render, and shadow. When you click on rotation, first one, number 2 on the keyboard, so this one will be without the background. Next one will be gradient without the background, and next one is with background, and this one is with shadow and without shadow. I like it with the shadow. It's a little bit nicer because it gives more depth. But this is basically it. To change, you only have to do is change the random seed, and it will keep changing the design. How, if you want to play around, you can change with the rotation. You see, it will go like this, and if you'd like, you can also change the rotation and animate it. So let me show you quick. Use the Z, is the for zoom, and X in the Y rotation, it will spin like this, and X rotation, it will spin like this. So you can make quite cool effects. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.